Hi, good morning everyone. I'm William Anthony Flores, and our topic for today is simple discount. After this lesson, the students will be able to define the simple terms used in simple discount notes and be able to compute or calculate the proceeds, maturity value, discount rate, and time or term of loan of a simple discount note. In our last topic, simple interest note, if a borrower receives 9,000 pesos with an interest of 200 pesos, the borrower must pay back 9,200 on the maturity date of the loan. This 9,200 is referred to as the maturity value. As you can see, in simple interest, we add the face value and the interest to get the maturity value. While in simple discount note for 9,000 pesos, the face value is 9,000 pesos, but the borrower only receives 8,800 pesos. This 8,800 pesos is referred to as the proceeds. The interest in this is 200 pesos, just like the previous one, but on this note, it is called discount. And even though the borrower receives 8,800, he must still pay back 9,000 pesos on the maturity date of the loan. The difference between simple interest note and simple discount note is that in simple interest note, you will subtract the the face value and the interest to get the maturity value, while in simple discount note, you will add the face value and the interest to get the maturity value. Here are the terminologies that we use in computing the simple discount note. F for face value or the maturity value, I for interest or the bank discount, D for discount rate, P for time, and P for proceeds or loan. And take note, in computing, we the discount rate must always be in decimal form, and the time must always be in years. Here are the formulas that we are going to use in computing. In finding the interest, we simply multiply the face value, the the discount rate, and time. In For proceeds, we simply multiply the face value by 1 minus discount rate times time. For finding the face value, we simply find the quotient of the proceeds and 1 minus discount rate times time. For finding the discount rate, we simply find the quotient of the face value minus proceeds over the face value multiplied by time. And finding time, we simply must find f minus p over f minus b. Question? Okay. First example. Determine the proceeds of 8,000 pesos due in 4 months with 4.5% discount rate. Here we are given the face value of 8,000 pesos, discount rate of 4.5%, which is 0.05, 0.045 in decimal form, and T, which is 4 months, and converted to become 1/3 of a year. and P is the unknown, which is the proceeds. The formula for proceeds is P is equal to face value times 1 minus discount rate times time. Simply substitute the given. F is 8,000, 1 minus D is 0.045, and T is 1/3. Simplify the formula and solve. We will get the proceed of 7,880 pesos. Next example. Find the value and interest of a simple discount note with a 13,490 proceeds that is due in 8 months at 8% discount rate. Again, the given proceeds is 13,490. D is 8% or 0.08. T is 8 months or 2/3 of a year, and the unknown is the face value and the interest. First, we must find the face value to get the interest. In finding the face value, we divide proceeds over 1 minus D times T. Substitute 13,490 over 1 minus 0.08 times 2/3 will give us the face value of 14,250 pesos. And the interest is simply subtracting the proceeds from the face value. So 14,250 minus 13,490, which will give us the interest of 760 pesos. Third example, calculate the discount rate of 15,000 pesos due in 5 years if the amount of discount is 8 is 1,875. Given the value, the face value of 15,000 pesos, time in 5 years, and discount, or also known as interest, of 1,875, we can find the discount rate. This formula is just is a conversion of the formula for finding the interest. Now, uh, substitute the given interest of 1,875 over face value of 15,000 multiplied by time of year, or 4 years. We will get 1 over 4, or 0.025, or 2.5% in percentage form of discount. Fourth example, find the maturity in months of a simple discount note with a maturing face value of 9,000 pesos, discount rate of 15%, and present value of 7,650. Given face value of 9,000, discount rate 15% or 0.15, then of proceeds or present value of 7,650. To find time, F minus P over F times D. 9,000 minus 600, 9,000 minus 7,650 over 9,000 times 1 point, or 9,000 times 0.50 will equal to 1 year or 12 months. And that's it. Any questions? If there's something you want to ask, you can message me and I'll reply as soon as I can. No one? Okay, so that's the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening and have a nice